Hey yo, everyone, how you doing? What I'm doing here is another example of a strip drain. That's how it's going. In there, it's going in that gap. I haven't drilled the hole yet. So what I need is an equal distance. So an equal distance is, that's pretty close, number 7 on the pencil. But I will be allowing a little bit anyway, either end. Don't think I'm that rough. I'm not actually. Right, so I'm going to dig that out, and it all gets waterproofed when it's dry. Which will be hopefully tomorrow. This dries pretty quick. I'll be turning a fan on, and the weather's not too bad for warm. It's quite warm. Okay. Now see the difference in height there? That's because that and that is the same. I can build that slope up. It's going up that way, my tile. I can build that up with a bit of glue. That is my finished height. And this is my finished height. I'm busy kneeling all over it, but so that's like that. See the fall? It's past, the bubble is past the line, which is, that's probably a good 12 mil, 12 to 14 mil slope, and into a strip drain. The water probably won't even come to about where my hand is. Anyway, that's going to be that there, that corner there. That is the size of the shower. So out here I'm going to be level and flat because I'm using 6x6 tiles. So what I'm going to be doing here, DIYs, is sloping and I'll get that with my wooden float. I want to slope it down, right, so that has to slope down to that level there. Always, that's my right hand. Where is my left hand glove? There it is. I'll just whack it on so I can, that's better. Right. That's my finished height there. And I do the same here. like so. And that's going to fall down. It might look a little bit complicated, but it's not. You'll see what I'm getting at in a sec. When your shower floor is done like this, you end up with an absolute bonzer. Now see how I'm putting slope on that? I got my height here, and that mud on the outside against the wall is dead level. So now dig that out. It's hard to see, but I hope you can get the idea. If I had a real small level there to there, in that distance, it's falling. Probably about 6 mil, that fall, or probably more. Then I do the same there. Then it's just a matter of bringing it back once I've got this. So then I'll be mitering it like that. That'll be tilting up there, that'll be tilting up there, and it all runs nicely into the strip drain. Now I hope you can see my bubble there. All the time it's falling to that drain. And we're home and hose. So we just tidy that up a little bit before I waterproof. I'll have a bit of a scratch around and smooth it off and get it all nice and pretty. I love the linear drain or strip drain. There's heaps of names for them. I don't give a shit what they're called really, just like long drain. Doesn't matter. People know what I'm talking about. always mix my mud with my mixer. I find it easy. I also find that it's a very strong mud. Like when that's dry, you've got to go and hire a kick-ass jackhammer to jackhammer it up. I've used, my slurry is water and glue to stick down to the concrete base. I'll be sticking down to these tiles with glue and water as my slurry. It'll never go anywhere. That's too big. Because I'm waterproofing over this, I want to try and fill the holes in a little bit, make it fairly smooth. It takes a little bit to learn to screed. It's not something that you're a gun at it in 5 minutes. No. But if you can concentrate on your levels, you're right. If you are up and down a little in your screeding, just use a little bit bigger trowel, you know, notch trowel, a 15mm, and if you are slightly up and down, it will take that out. Now you've got a beautiful flat floor with heaps of fall. I love them, eh? I wish I could do a strip drain to every bathroom I do. Okay, we'll see you soon. Yo! Press the subscribe button. Tell your friends about my channel. We're out to grow, and we're not here to muck around. This is just the beginning. Woo!